there is one more reason why we have mediation. It's not only for the benefit of the litigant. If you can get your dispute resolved through our judicial process, ultimately somebody has to win, somebody has to lose. The one who loses does not accept it. He has to accept it. Once the litigation comes to an end, he has to accept the result, because the winner will enforce it by invoking police power of the state. But that keeps on lingering in his mind that he has lost. Now once that person keeps that lingering in his mind, let's say there is the male earning member of the family, he loses, he will not forget it. So his bitterness travels to the family, his bitterness travels to the working place. Everybody in concentric circle get affected. So it's not only that that man gets affected by outcome, even though the litigation has come to an end through court process. But look at it the other way. If it comes to an end with mediation, there is no bitterness. That man goes back to his family, or that man goes back to his work, complete peace of mind, and that radiates in concentric circle. So it is not, a mediation is not for the benefit of the person whose dispute is being resolved, but ultimately it benefits the society in much larger.
जर दोनूय पार्टींनी आपलो इगो कुशीक दवरलो जाल्यार देशात मिडिएशनाचे माध्यमांतल्यान मोठ्या प्रमाणात प्रश्न सुट्टले अशें हेच कार्यावळीत आशिल्लो जस्टिस C.V. भडंगान मत उक्तायलें.
Some of the disputes, just like family disputes or the disputes regarding property, inventory matters particularly here, they are, I think, most suitable for a solution by way of mediation. And except where there is an issue of ego, if there is a genuine dispute between the parties, it is more likely to be settled by way of mediation, because the parties genuinely believe on their stand that there is a particular dispute. But if there are some ulterior motives, or maybe in matrimonial matters, because it involves some personal indignation against each other and lot of bad blood which is created, there it may take more time for a mediator to bring about a settlement.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.